Hi everybody, I'm Prabhadeep Kaur and this is the Web Application Development Com 229 midterm test. That's my student number and that's me. Let's begin. This is the Heroku link and this is the GitHub link. So let's go to Heroku app that I made. So this is the book list. These are all the books that I added in the database from the book.json file. So let's delete this book and try and add it. So this was Merchant of Venice and book price was 30, let's say. Book author was William Shakespeare and the genre was fantasy. So submit. If I wanted to change the price to, let's say 20 and submit, it's changed to 20. And if I don't want to add this and cancel, it take backs to me. If I want to delete it and I don't want to delete, cancels and add a book. I don't want to add a book, I cancel it. So everything seems fine here. So let's go to our book.js where I added all the routes. This is the route for add a page. Pretty similar what I did in assignment 2, authentication. And this is the book model schema that we added, and this is the error handling for the new book that we added. And details, ID, this is the added page and we add ID in the details page. This is the books details and this is the books to edit. As we see that we have left empty here, we didn't put any like books to add there. We just put here add books to edit because it's already the same as the book list one. We just want to add it, and this is the delete option. So nothing changed in index, and in DB instead of the local database I made it cloud database Atlas with the help of that, so that I can link it to Heroku, my database. This is my username, my password, and my books 229 is the database that I made. And one more thing is that I changed is the page here to cancel the delete option and go, that it may take to me to the books page back. So this is what we do, event listener there, event.location.assign, I change it to books. That's it. The details page is same, the index EJS, I changed these two options. We have to add the books.details and the books delete as well as the ID so that it can add it and delete. That's about it, and I think it's nearly that. So moreover, in the app.js it's same. It has let options and it has used app.use. I didn't change this, the same as it is cause it's books. It's already changed to books. Nothing to change in app.js. And as we see, our page is working fine. When we go here, it takes back to the index, book.js, delete a page, add it, and add a book. That's about it. And this is the Git link, and YouTube video link will be provided here when I'm done with the video. So thank you for listening to me. That's all about my midterm. Thank you. Have a nice day.